How are you guys doing? Do you guys enjoying tonight?
Yeah!
Parang mahina yung energy. Are you guys enjoying tonight? Wow! Parang yung mga nasa likod tahimik.
No!
Can I hear the people at the back?
Woo!
How about the people here sa harap? Kamusta? Pachanga, kamusta? Ayan, yun yung gusto kong energy. But, of course, thank you Kuya Eric. Thank you, maraming salamat po sa pag-share ng song mo with me. I love you so much po. But for now, alam niyo naman po, maraming nakakalam dito na kaka-release ko lang po ng aking debut single. Perform my song tonight.
Of course!
Okay. This is room, everyone. Let's go.
As soon as I said couldn't try to make myself alive, I see your eyes, they couldn't mind. Happens all the time when you tell me I can get you out my mind, my mind. Get silence, stuck about it in my room. Babe, hope you're ready, cause I'm gonna invade. Listen to what I'm about to say. You will find the answer. This energy that's within me. Damn it, it's so pretty. I see me blowing your body. Picture perfect movie, trembling thrills me. I don't want an ending. Savor every bit of it, 'cause we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living. Tried one of a kind. It's okay if you cry, but I see you smile, but I set you way too high. I hope you come alive. Set a pilot fast and shadows down the smile. Oh my, forever about you and I. We don't need that.